PHP, we just got done installing this really sweet remote start kit on this brand new Audi Q8. Give you an idea of how slick this is. Got the app pulled up here. We're just going to touch start. Already sends the code to the car. Within 10 seconds the car is running. Get confirmation. Shows you countdown timer. It'll run for 15 minutes. If you don't get in it, it'll shut off. If you want to shut it off, we can just hit that. Car turns off. You've got your battery voltage, your door status. We can confirm they're locked. Car is locked. Really slick. Whoever wants this installed, come see us. We can do all the new Audi push button starts. Install takes about 2 hours. It's very seamless. The other option is you can use your factory remote fob. We'll hit lock 3 times and the car will start. There we go. Easy as that.